Welcome back to Future Fuel, your ultimate destination for the latest automotive insights and reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting entries in the luxury compact SUV market, the 2025 Audi Q3. A design that speaks luxury. The 2025 Audi Q3 continues to captivate with its bold yet elegant design language. Audi has refined the exterior styling, blending sportiness with sophistication. The front grille has been slightly enlarged, featuring sharper contours and a honeycomb pattern for a more aggressive stance. Flanking the grille are sleek redesigned LED headlights, equipped with Audi's signature matrix technology, offering enhanced visibility and a dynamic look. From the side, the Q3 exhibits a strong shoulder line, giving it a muscular and poised appearance. Wheel options range from 18 to 21 inches, allowing buyers to customize their SUV to fit their personal style. At the rear, the redesigned taillights and a sporty roof spoiler enhance the overall aesthetics. A tech-infused interior. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a cabin that seamlessly blends luxury with cutting-edge technology. The 2025 Audi Q3 features a 10.25-inch digital cockpit as standard, with an option to upgrade to a larger 12.3-inch Audi virtual cockpit. This customizable display delivers crisp graphics and essential driving information at your fingertips. The infotainment system is housed in a sleek 10.1-inch touchscreen, powered by the latest MIB3 software. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an array of connected services to keep you informed and entertained on the go. Audi has also integrated voice recognition, which works flawlessly to control navigation, media, and climate settings. When it comes to materials, Audi spares no expense. The interior boasts premium leather upholstery, brushed aluminium accents, and soft-touch plastics, creating a luxurious and comfortable environment. Ambient lighting with customizable colors allows drivers to set the perfect mood for any journey. Power and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Audi Q3 offers a range of powertrains to suit diverse preferences. The base model is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, producing 184 horsepower. For those seeking more excitement, the higher trims pack a punch with a 228 horsepower version of the same engine. Both variants are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive shifts. Quattro all-wheel drive comes standard across all trims, providing excellent traction and stability on various terrains. Audi has also fine-tuned the suspension for a balance between sporty handling and ride comfort, making the Q3 a joy to drive, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. For eco-conscious buyers, Audi is introducing a mild hybrid variant of the Q3. This system improves fuel efficiency while delivering a seamless driving experience, ensuring the Q3 keeps pace with the industry's push toward electrification. Safety at its core. Audi prioritizes safety, and the 2025 Q3 is no exception. The SUV comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking. Higher trims add features like a 360-degree camera system, park assist, and traffic sign recognition, ensuring the Q3 offers peace of mind in any driving scenario. Versatility meets luxury. One of the standout aspects of the 2025 Audi Q3 is its practicality. With ample seating for 5 passengers and generous legroom, it comfortably accommodates families and groups. The rear seats are adjustable, allowing for a customizable cargo space of up to 48 cubic feet when folded down. Final thoughts. The 2025 Audi Q3 strikes a perfect balance between luxury, technology, and performance. Whether you're drawn to its sophisticated design, cutting-edge tech, or impressive versatility, the Q3 proves why it remains a top choice in the compact luxury SUV segment. Stay tuned to Future Fuel for more insights and reviews on the latest automotive innovations. If you're excited about the 2025 Audi Q3 or have questions, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates on all things automotive. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.